Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I've picked up a RYOBI fan, and this is a RYOBI hybrid dual voltage fan, so you can plug it into your wall or you can use a battery. So you might think to yourself, why would you do that? Why would you buy a battery powered fan? Well, I do go camping. I've got an old tent trailer. I don't go to electrical sites normally. I want nice peace and quiet and everything. But some days it's really brutal hot. You don't have any breeze in the trailer, and it's just horrible. So I bought the fan for camping. But you can use it for a variety of things. I also have a workout room that I do already have a fan in there, but it's a really tiny workout room, so you can add this other fan. So now I have two, and I can put it anywhere. And then also, if you live in a house or an apartment that doesn't have air conditioning, um, and you don't have place for a fan everywhere you go, sometimes you can just pick up one of these fans. You just carry it around with you. So anyway, so this is the unboxing and review. So I've already used it, and in the box, basically the fan comes like that. You pull it out of the box. There's no other packaging around it all, and that has your manual, which basically just tells you to plug it in and don't put it in the bathtub. So in the back, it has the electrical plug outlet. Now you can only use one of these kind of extension cords, and if you you had like an extension cord with three outlets on it, you can't plug it into this. So you have to have one of these dedicated sort of ones, and that just plugs in nicely. And then the fan has two speeds. The single speed or the low speed is pretty quiet. The high speed is kind of noisy. Um, anyway, and then other feature on this, it has these almost like hooks here, and there's two of them, so you could actually like have a wire that's hanging around or a piece of string or whatever. You could hang it on that. You could articulate the head, the fan head. It also has on the other side, they call this the J hook. So it has this one on this side as well. So, and then there's mounting holes. So there's four mounting holes. So you could screw it right into a wall if you're going to use it in one place all the time. Then, of course, the battery just fits in. That snaps in, just like all the other RYOBI stuff. Turn on the fan, right? It works really well. So I've taken this camping, and I got about almost 24 hours out of it, which was really impressive on the 4 amp hour battery, so the bigger battery, right? And that's the lithium ion battery. So I got this at Home Depot. It was $54 Canadian, well, 55. It's 2-speed, 18 volts or 120 volt with the electrical cord. The fan is 7 inches. Here to here is 7 inches. It's 11.5 inches tall. It's 11.5 inches wide. It is 8 inches deep, right? Yeah, so that's basically it. I didn't really think I would ever buy something like this, but when I saw it, I thought, you know what, that's perfect for camping. So uh, it's really nice. Like if you're working in your garage, you are working on your car, you're sweating to death. You don't have air conditioning in your garage, obviously, and you can put the fan beside you, and it provides a little bit of relief. You take it with you around your house when you're working on stuff. Yeah, like it's just ultimately portable. It seems like a stupid little thing, but you're gonna pay $20 for a fan anyway. This one will give you just a little more options and a lot more portability. And like I said, I bought it specifically for camping. So anyway, so far I'm really happy with it. It's not, I haven't had it for a long time, only a couple of weeks now. But for the couple of weeks that I've used it, I really do enjoy it. So it's pretty neat. So another 2 thumbs up for another good RYOBI product, and it's all plastic. And the fan itself can articulate to here and all the way down to here. So anyway, And that's basically it. That's all I got. So it's a pretty simple product and works great. Anyway, thanks for watching.